Hi, in this video, we will quickly overview Pentair Amerlite Underwater Incandescent Pool Light 12-volt 100-watt 100-foot cord. Pentair Amerlite lights, the world standard of reliability for underwater lights, feature a stainless steel shell, 8.375-inch prismatic tempered glass lens. Amerlite lights have a thermal low water cutoff. Create different moods with optional snap-on lens covers in blue, red, and green, available for purchase separately. Amerlite lights are UL listed to install in full-sized Pentair Pool Products, American, PacFab, and Purex niches, and are for use in freshwater with up to 6,000 ppm salinity. Features: stainless steel face ring with Uni-Tension clamp, prismatic tempered glass lens for optimum light diffusion, heat sensing cutoff for low water protection, allows bulb changes without lowering water level, 12-volt and 100-watt light. Read the instructions before installation and use. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.